Hello. Our story today is Growing Like Me by Anne Rockwell, and it is illustrated by Holly Keller. Here in the meadow, by the woods and the pond, everything is growing just like me. White blossoms will grow into berries, black and juicy and sweet. Blue eggs, safe and warm in their nest, will hatch into robins that sing in the grass. A caterpillar munching milkweed will become a tiger-colored butterfly fluttering through the sky. Little black pollywogs wiggling in the water will turn into big green frogs calling from the pond. Downy, cheeping ducklings will grow up to be wild ducks, quacking through cattails and flying away. A speckled cloud with a fish standing guard will soon be lots of shining silver fish swimming round and round the pond. Little acorn lying on fallen leaves. Sprout and spread roots. Stretch your green leaves up to the sky. Grow into a tall oak tree. Little baby brother, what in the world will you grow up to be? You'll see. One day you'll be a big boy, just like me. The end. I hope you all have enjoyed this story as well, and I hope you have a great day. See what you can get outside and see what you can find that is growing and what might it change into. Have a great day.